Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar laid the foundation stone for 30-bedded integrated Ayush hospital at Mookyndur yesterday. He was accompanied with the presence of Minister of Health and Family Welfare Department, Dr. Ampreen Lingdor, and Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department, Director of Ayush, Dr. Joram Beda. Addressing the gathering, Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar highlighted that the government is committed to various development works, including healthcare service for the welfare of the community. He also expressed his gratitude to the Mookyndur village for generously donating a 5-acre land for the construction of the much-needed 30-bedded Ayush integrated hospital.
So this institution will and able to treat especially the non-communicable diseases which require long-term treatment, especially for those that have become frail, for the senior citizens and for the young children who will require long-term treatment.
On Saturday, 3 prominent organizations